Hi guys, so I have a quick Pokemon blister pack focus unboxing. I got this at Target for $4.19, but I used a gift card, $5 gift card, so it makes it free. So it costs $4.19. Comes with a coin, the Tapa Blue promo card. You can see it right there, Black Star promo. Kind of, and then a Celestial Storm pack. So let's get started. And I get paid on Wednesday, and today's Monday night, so I'm gonna most likely be purchasing more Pokemon cards, because lately I've been getting into more Pokemon lately, because I've been playing Pokemon ever since I was a little kid, and I've been collecting, but I've fallen out of the Pokemon, but now I've been getting back in. So here's the coin, focus, and then it comes with a code card as well. Then the Tapa Blue Black Star promo. You can see the star right there. So, and this is a holo, so we already got a holo card. We haven't even opened it. So, oh, it's heavy. You get, if you haven't opened packs before, you get 10 per pack, 10 cards per pack, other than Dollar Tree packs cost $1. So I think I know the card trick, but I'm not too sure. Don't want to show the cards. So we got 2 code cards. So I think it's 3. And then, so we got a Loudred. I've not opened these in forever. Masquerain. Ooh, that's a new one. I think her name's Hi. Hey. A new trainer. Sweet. Focus. Torchic. Hold on. My camera doesn't want to focus. Slackoth. Shuppet. Trico. Cacnea. We have a reverse Doniphan, which is a uncommon. So we got a, I did the trick wrong, but we got a metal energy. Then we have a holo Salmons. I've been wanting this one forever. So this was our rare. I got a holo. I'm just so excited. We got a holo. So this is meaning when I go to Walmart, hopefully tomorrow after work, because I'm selling stuff on Craigslist tonight. So hopefully I'll be able to go buy some more Pokemon cards at Walmart tomorrow with the money that I got. So from this blister pack, from the Celestial Storm, that cost $4.19, we got this cool coin. This is the recap. We got this cool coin. We already got a holo promo card, the Tapa Blue that came. We got an energy, Cacnea, Trico, Shuppet, Slackoth, Torchic, Hey, Masquerain, Loudred, a reverse Doniphan, which is a uncommon, which I've been wanting this one. I just gotta get Fafnir. And then we got a holo rare salmon. It's just like I've been wanting this card forever. Like, and look at that Dragon Claw, 100. Like, oh my goodness. But yeah, and then we got 2 code cards. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my Celestial Storm blister pack opening. And I may or may not be able to go to Walmart and get more. I got these at Target, so I may or may not be able to go to Walmart tomorrow after work and get more cards, because I might have people come and buy stuff for me, but I hope so. But thank you guys for watching my Pokemon opening. Haven't opened booster packs in forever, but see you guys tomorrow, hopefully. Bye.